Hey y'all, how's it going? Welcome to Zahatka. My name is Valentina. Today we're going to have a tutorial on how to make this little cute Easter egg basket. And afterwards you can use it as decoration in your kids' room. If you're ready to see the tutorial for this little basket, hit that thumbs up button and let's go! For this project, first I cut out the main fabric, 28 inches by 11 inches, and then batting and liner in the same size. And then for the bottom, I did a circle, and that was 9.5 inches in diameter. And you did the outside fabric, and then the batting and the liner for that also. And of course I chose to make it quilted, and I just did 1-inch lines up and down. The quilting did take a little bit of time, but it was well worth it. After I quilted it, I ironed everything down, and I'm using polyfill batting, and whenever you iron it at a high heat, it does fuse together and makes the fabrics differ, which I wanted to do in this case, so I put it at a little bit of a higher heat. But back to sewing over here, I got the rectangle and I sewed the ends together, just a line across together, and then I'm attaching the circle piece to the bottom, so they're both turned inside out. Basically, well, you're making it inside out. And if you do have a design on your fabric, make sure that it's facing up whenever you have that bottom piece on, and you'll see if it's facing the right way, So make sure it is facing up, and you just sew on that bottom piece, taking off the clips one at a time, or if you use the pins, taking them off one at a time and just slowly going through the circle. Then for the liner, you repeat the same steps. You get your rectangle piece, you sew it together, facing pretty sides towards each other, just like on the outer layer. And then the pretty side goes inside, same way. So you're looking at the not pretty side if you have two different sides on your layer. And then you pin it or clip it together just like you did with the outer piece, and sew around that circle the same way. My liner was a bit shorter than the bag, and so I decided to cut some of the bag off, just like 1/2 inch. And then you have your liner, it's inside out, and your outer piece is right side out, and you put your outer piece inside of your liner and clip it together at the top. So your liner pretty side and your outer piece pretty side should be touching each other. Now you'll sew that all around, but you will leave a 2-inch gap, 1.5 to 2 inch, up to you. And this gap will be just to turn our project right side out. So now your project is turned right side out, and you'll put that liner inside of the basket, and just remember you still have that little 1.5 to 2 inch gap. And what you'll do now is turn the outside piece inside about 1/2 inch to 1/4 of an inch. Iron it down. It'll make it easier to sew the liner down if you iron both the liner and the outer piece and the batting down, just all around that diameter, and then sew it down. Once you have that edge complete, you'll attach your strap, and I just used this cotton webbing strap that I bought on Amazon. And how I did it is I just measured out how long I want the strap to be, and I folded down my basket 2.5 inches, and I put the edge of the strap inside that little fold that I made, and then I wrap it around on the outside and sew it down. Just do a straight stitch. You can sew it however you want it to keep it down. You can make 2 stitches, you can make a little X, however you want to keep your strap down. I just did a little stitch where I already had that top stitch. I got a little roller, cleaned it up, and now we're ready. The basket is all done. Very simple project, and it can be used for Easter eggs whenever your kid goes Easter egg hunting or anything like that. And then afterwards you can fill it up with toys if you want and use it as decoration in their room, as I mentioned before. Now, before I end the video, I did want to say a big thank you for watching and letting me be a part of your day. If you did enjoy this video or found this tutorial useful, please consider liking, subscribing, commenting, sharing, and hitting the little bell button, all the good things. And come back next time for more.